We want to find the equation of the tangent and normal to y equals x cubed minus 4x squared at the point where x is equal to 2. So if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 cubed, take away 4 times 2 squared, which is 8, take away 4 times 4, which is 16, which is minus 8. So the coordinates of the point on the curve where x equals 2 are 2 and minus 8. We want to find the equation of the tangent, and we know that the gradient of the tangent is given by the gradient function dy dx. So we need to differentiate this expression. Differentiating, we get dy dx is 3x squared, and differentiating this term gives us minus 8x. We want the gradient at the point where x equals 2. Substituting in, we get dy dx equals 3 times 2 squared, take away 8 times 2, 3 fours are 12, take away 16, which is minus 4. So the gradient of the tangent to the curve at this point is minus 4. We have the point and we have the gradient of the tangent, so we can now work out the equation of the tangent. We know this is a straight line, so will be of the form y equals mx plus c. Using the coordinates, we can substitute in y is minus 8, the gradient we know is minus 4, and the x coordinate is 2. This enables us to work out the value of c. So minus 8 is equal to minus 8 plus c, giving us c is equal to 0. Substituting back in, we now know m and c, so we find the equation of the tangent is y is minus 4x. We can now turn our attention to working out the equation for the normal. Since the gradient of the tangent is minus 4, the gradient of the normal must be a quarter. The reason for this is that if we do minus 4 times a quarter, we get minus 1, and we know that if we multiply together the gradients of two lines and get minus 1, the two lines are perpendicular. We can now use y equals mx plus c, since the normal is a straight line. It's at the same point, so we use the same coordinates, and the gradient is a quarter. So the x is 2, and once again this enables us to work out c. So minus 8 is equal to a half plus c. So c will be equal to minus 8.5, or as a top-heavy fraction, which would be the more common way to put it, minus 17 over 2. Substituting in, we know the gradient, and we know the value of c, so we have the equation for the normal.